Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Alex's Adventures, and in this episode of Alex's Adventures, we'll be taking an adventure walking around the Linq Promenade in Las Vegas, Nevada. That is right, in this episode of Alex's Adventures, we'll be taking an adventure walking around the Linq Promenade to see what this place has to offer. So we just crossed the street from the Caesar's Palace to the Linq Promenade. As you can see here, there's the Caesar's Palace, and here is the Linq Promenade. A fun fact about the Linq Promenade is that this is the first In-N-Out burger on the strip, and here you can see this very huge jumbotron that greets you to the promenade. So let's go ahead and take a look what we have here. Here we can see the Linq Hotel and Casino on your left. You can buy tickets for the show, and here this has a zip line from the Linq Ferris wheel. This Ferris wheel is the second tallest Ferris wheel. And here's the directory of the Linq Promenade. So here you can dine and drink. And here's the simple layout of the promenade. We have the high roller at the end, Flamingo Casino on your right, and the Linq that we just saw here. The Linq Promenade is an outdoor entertainment district between Linq and the Flamingo. You can see the nightlife here. Here on your right is a Starbucks coffee. And here's the beautiful view of the high roller. Here's one of the entrances to the Linq Hotel and Casino. Here you have an outdoor bar. Here you have Gordon Ramsay's fish and chips, which is closed for the day. Here you have the Flamingo Casino to the right, and we love the Flamingo image here. And here you have I Love Sugar store. I recommend checking this store out if you're into candy. And this has 2 floors here. As we continue to make our way down, here's more restaurants and bars here. Here we have Off the Strip. Here you have one of those fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada gifts shop. Here is where you buy your souvenirs when you're in Vegas. And you can also get a picture of the Las Vegas sign if you don't want to walk down the strip, which is close to the Mandalay Bay at the beginning of the strip. Here you can see there are many people here at night. You can see the zip lines. You can have a zip line from the high roller to the beginning of the Linq Promenade to Las Vegas Strip. Here we have one of those cake shops that vends cakes. Here we can see that there's the first In-N-Out on the strip. The Harley Davidson motorcycle store. The Flour and Barley Brick Oven Pizza. And this cool LED water fountain. And the development of this entertainment district was inspired by the Grove and also the Americana in Los Angeles. Here we are at Deli Square, bringing San Francisco to Las Vegas. Here we have this Brooklyn Bowl, where we love the marquee sign here. Brings out the life in the nightlife. Here's a closer view of the High Roller. Here we have one of those virtual reality rides. We have Jimmy Kimmel's Comedy Club that is located right here on the Linq. Here we have Maxie's Las Vegas breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then here's the entrance to the High Roller. And of course you have to buy tickets. You want to hop on the High Roller, the second largest Ferris wheel in the world. And here you can see the monorail that crosses over the Linq. I just wish that they have a monorail stop here, which will give you easy access throughout the strip. And yeah, so let's go ahead and go back to the heart of the Linq Promenade. So we are back at the center of the Linq Promenade. Here's the LED water fountain. Really cool water fountain that can change colors. And here's the first In-N-Out burger on the strip. Not sure if this is the first In-N-Out in Las Vegas, but pretty sure this is the first In-N-Out burger on the strip. And yeah, so it's in this view with this beautiful water fountain. And yeah, so that will do it for this episode of Alex's Adventures. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about the Linq Promenade. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and be sure to check out my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Alex's Adventures. I will definitely see you on the next one.